Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Expedition Platinum Max. Coming in this nice white coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the driver pack, stealth performance pack, and stealth appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing. You do get a tow hitch under there, your handy dandy backup camera, roof spoiler, roof rails as well. We do get a remote start and a split gate. So the first gate will open. You can open from the key fob or up there, totally up to you. Hitting this button, you do get that to fold down as well. Perfect for tailgate parties, all that jazz. You got plenty of storage, hooks and doodads. You got outlets, all that jazz. You can collapse your last row and bring it back up. Middle row, you can only collapse it, but I'll just hit that button so you can see what it does. Pretty neat. Will go down automatically for you, and if it senses something is in the way, it will automatically come back up, like that one. Pretty handy if you have kids back there and they hit the button. And I'm gonna bring that one back up. Pretty nice and handy. To close both, you just hit that button there, and they'll close all together. Taking a look at the back, we do get the nice blacked out rims, got the nice blacked out trim with keyless entry keypad just right here, and of course you do get power deployable running boards, and they'll go up when you close the door, blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors, side view camera, and moving to the front, we do get front park sensing, front view camera, and that nice Expedition grille. Taking a look at the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 7 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior. It's perforated. We got 2 captain's chairs in the middle with the armrest. They are adjustable. With each step to get to the back, you got 4 mats with a carpeted interior. To get to the back, you just hit that button there. Slide your seat forward. You have access to your back 2 passengers. You got the reclining seats as well, which is always pretty handy for those long car rides. Plenty of door space in the back as well. You got cup holders, rear climate controls, heated back seats, 120 volt. You got outlets on both the front seats and the ability to put a phone or tablet in the headrest. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Powered passenger seat, plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, got power folding mirrors. We got your 4-wheel drive mode, split gate, with your parking brake all on your left hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see we do get this lovely heads up display with the odometer sitting at 9,604 kilometers. We got navigation, we got different widgets we can set up here. Right now we just got the music widget, classic Taylor Swift. We do get a digital speedometer, distance empty, a nice new looking steering wheel with some haptic feedback here. You can go for different settings, as well as on this side, Ford's Blue Cruise. We got storage here as well with cup holders, Pro Trailer Assist. You got your gears, trailer brake, with outlets here, and it does close for a nice sleeker look. And you do get your normal storage below, ignore all the junk down there. And we do get a secret storage, pretty nice. And you just press this button and it'll go forward. Gear select, volume, auto stop, auto start, park sensing, hazards, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle. Pretty handy. Traction and hill, storage below, and above me we get our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. Garage door transmitter with a nice big infotainment system with some storage here. Looking at here, it's going to be fully powered by Google, which is pretty actually handy. You got your audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. Climate controls all at the bottom. Heated and cooling front seats, heated steering wheel. Pretty handy. You got your navigation here as well. Search recent saved. Dutchess Park. Different addresses. You have voice controls with it well. Personal profiles. Vehicle settings here, such as your auto hold, your driver memory. Pretty nice actually. Lighting, brightness, rear climate lock, valet mode, vehicle status settings, and you can fiddle around with the vehicle like this and open your split gate. Here we do get all our apps, such as your Google Maps, Play Store, all that jazz. You got Apple CarPlay, Messages, YouTube, Android Auto, and all your widgets for your big heads-up display is right here. You got gauges, fuel economy, off-road, trailer, audio, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EA19571, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.